Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Windows 11 so you can get online quickly and without any hassle. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Quick Settings icon at the bottom right of your screen or press Windows plus A to open the Quick Settings panel where you can access Wi-Fi options. Step 2. Click the button next to the Wi-Fi icon to view and manage all available networks, making it easy to choose the one you want. Step 3. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to join and click Connect. This links your PC to the network so you can access the internet. Step 4. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully, then click Next to securely connect your device. Step 5. To disconnect later, click the button next to the Wi-Fi icon again and select Disconnect. This ends the connection safely without affecting your other settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more tech tips.